Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly. The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Remove the bolts that secure the housing by turning them counterclockwise. Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle.
We recommend wearing gloves when changing your lights. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely.
Disconnect the bulb housing. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Remove the second bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Reconnect the bulb housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place. You may need to use some force to get the bulb housing back in place. You should hear it connect to the vehicle.
Replace the bolts that secure the housing by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.